I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the room they go by, we can do it anyhow. Ah, you know we'll see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price.
Hello guys, just a quick update on my little gardening. So this, I had gotten these little grass looking flowers from my neighbor, and I am now basically digging out, trying to make a flower bed. So I'm taking out all of these grass. I'm gonna try to replant them, replant the grass them to make them look good, and see what's going on so far. See the brick them, these are just the pavers. I got them at 25 cents at Home Depot and Special. I might have to go down there to buy some more. So I've been just cleaning out the bed so far. Anyway, me get the grass, anyway, me dig out some grass, me try push them back down in them. I don't know if they're gonna grow, but I try fill out back them places. All of them where you see with there, so I go wash them off and make the grass come back through. So this is where I reach now. Just have round there so to go. Let me show you real quick. See, I plant some poinsettia that we had for Christmas. They might dead, because this is a seasonal plant, but me don't know. Me just plant them just the same. Alright, see some patch of grass them try transplant back. Hopefully it live. See the brick them there. So me I showing you the other garden, one on the other side of the house. And I get $30 donation towards flowers. So I'm gonna plant some, I buy some more flowers. See the other side here. Those pipes is for some irrigation that I'm gonna try to run, some sprinkler. But yeah. So I'm gonna put topsoil in. I'm gonna take out my vervine and put my vervine in the ground eventually. I put some topsoil. I might get a pot like them pot the way you put nice pot style. My aloe vera them no look good. That one no look too pretty. Like sun, too much sun upon it, me no know. Me dig it, me bury it too deep, me no know. But me go work on them. Might buy some new aloe vera and redo it. But we had some rain, and that's why. But yeah, see the aloe vera look like a beat up. Aloe vera look beat down a little ways, but hey, God can restore it. Come here, aloe vera. Come here. Grow back here. Yeah. Eventually, it will do its thing. Yeah, man. So I just giving an update on the little garden. And thing. I go pipe back, get some more flowers will have sun. Partial sun, because by the time the evening come, the other side will get more sun. But yeah, see there? So that's what I want to do with the other side as well. Might have to buy some more bricks. And then eventually all these other little things that I have, these little plants that I have in the yard, I'm gonna be putting the rubber thing around them. Something like this. Around them to, secure them and thing. I'm gonna cut this in three. So eventually that will wait in there. Full of lizard right now. Pure lizard living there right now, but hey. And the mango tree, I'm gonna pray for this mango tree, please. I need some prayer to go up for this mango tree, because I know I'm see one new leaf company from me get it. So pray for it. Father, just touch the mango tree now. Hot color, Lou. Yeah, so I'm gonna put things around them and put topsoil and things around them, and yeah, and see what going on. After that, it's supposed to start look good. Yeah, gardening update.
work.
I try. I try my best.
It's a go on, man. It's a go on. Look good. This is the debut garden.
Right now, I feel like saying we should have just continued with them same brick around at the front. And stuff. Nobody try. Get more expensive brick. So we need half dozen more brick, and we're right here now, just finishing up that spot. Before I go put some topsoil down, a little bit of topsoil. I go buy more, and we just water it now. Yeah, it don't look bad. We have two little annuals in, but we don't really want to use major annuals. We want to use perennials, because the annuals, you know, after a while them dry out. So I want to use perennials. Wash out that from the fields. Yeah, I'm step back and look. I'm handiwork. Yeah. See the thing look. Yeah. Wife here water. Plants like she a big waterist. She a big plants waterer. You understand? Yeah man, I buy the brick them and see what we can finish up. So I went to Home Depot and Walmart. Those two places I went to. And I bought some more topsoil at Walmart. It's $1 and change. Yesterday somebody gave me $30 towards my garden. So I used the $30 as best as I can. I bought some more blocks. I bought these to put around the mango tree and them something around the back. Walmart was selling these outdoor lights for $5 a one. So I'm going to buy them. And then I got some flowers at Walmart. This one was, I don't know what this name. This was plumbago, and it was on special. So I buy it. Yeah, I like purple. I don't know. The wife never come with me, so she couldn't make the decision. Then I went to Home Depot to get the blocks, which I just installed. And I got Gaillardia. And it says it attracts butterflies. I got this at Home Depot. And as you can see the price. No, this was Walmart too. This was Walmart. It's like Walmart this. A Walmart? Yeah, this was Walmart too. $4.68. Then when I was at Home Depot now, I found lavender. And it smells so good. Lavender. And I got those for $3. Well, $4 basically. And then I found this one. I don't know what it is. One of them break. Hey, you know, so the cashier broke it. That board head looking cashier. She broke it, you know. Sure. This one was at, sorry, may I use the phone? This one was Salvia at Home Depot. And I just love the purple flowers on it. So I bought those. So I'm gonna install those, but I'm not sure where I want to put. If this must go, these are full sun. They say full sun. So I'm gonna put these by the big pot, and I'm gonna put the lavender by the bedroom window. You know, because you know, true, I have to make the bedroom window cute. And then me don't know I'm gonna put these, but these are so nice. I like the pretty flowers that they bloom. So yeah. So little by little where I get it done. Yeah man, trust me. Lavender.
The water out for soap through the white name, didn't it?
The sun?
Yeah.
I know. But eventually, still have some more flowers to plant. Yeah. A family affair. Yeah, so see there now, put on some topsoil. A little topsoil. You know, as I said, the gray pipes will be moved, and you know, we're gonna try run some irrigation next. I've got budget for that. So right now, yeah, it look good. I'm gonna show you a little bit later on when the lights come on, because I got these lights at Home Depot for like $5 for the pack of 6, and we put them in. It just looks real cool. Yeah, man, I like it.
Sitting in the morning sun, I've been sitting in the evening come. Sitting
Watching
in
the
the
ship roll in.
morning sun, I'll be sitting in the evening come. Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the time roll each day. Sitting at the dock of the bay, wasting time.
So there are the lights on officially. Yeah, I like it a lot. You know, really look good. You know, and it's just, as I said, some like a cheap lights, but it does make a difference. As soon as it gets much darker, you'll see them come up more. Yeah, and I'll show you the other side as well. And there they are on this side. Nice little low lights. Yeah, man. Now stop till we get it done, you know, little by little, small steps, right? Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. We're gonna try to take on the front, but that is a very, very big task. What do you think? Should we use the same type of bricks for the front, or should we buy more substantial bricks? For now, these are 4 for $1. For now, hopefully the sale won't, you know, end abruptly. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. All right, blessings. Yardie TV. Peace out.